Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Bryan in Mississippi on a Stryker SR-497HPC2. Bryan, got it ready to go for you. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. Set it up at 2 watts. Now, Bryan, you're not going to want to run it down there like that, but that's just in case you decide to run an amplifier. You'll have full adjustability, okay? There it is, 30 watts all the way up. Let me show you average power swing. Hello. 60 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello. 125. Check 1, 2, 3. There you go, Bryan. 125 PEP. It'll run all day long like that. Bryan, I hope you enjoy it, and I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.